Hello everyone and happy new year 2022, and I wish that this year will be the best year of life. You will get more health and more prosperous and more well this year. So yeah, I would like to ask, how was your 2021? My 2021 was the best year of my life in terms of personal growth as well as the professional growth, in terms of financial growth. I was really enjoyed 2021. I traveled a lot of places. I started trekking. So yeah, let me know in the comments how was your 2021 and what are your goals for 2022, because in this topic the today we are going to talk about the your future plans for 2022. How are you gonna spend this year? What are your plans? What is your to-do list? How you have planned the activities, and how to be consistent with the resolution that we started with the 1st of January and to continue it till the 31st of December. So yeah, stay continue with this video till the end, because I'm going to give you some successful tips that I have actually implemented in 2021, and due to which I have completed my bucket list of 2021, and the same way I am hoping that my 2022 list will be completed, and these tips will help you out as well to to complete your goals and achieve them. So let's get started. Yeah, so yeah, I have started with couple of things, new things in the 2021. For example, I have started with the healthy diet routine, and I almost cut off the food, outside food out due to the corona as well. It was an unhealthy thing to choose the outside food, so I completely skip that routine and choose to stick with the healthy or the homemade food only. Even sometimes I have the eager to eager to taste some outside food like the pizza or something, on Sundays especially I feel that I should order something, but I really cut down that wish or control my mind, and warn myself, I have to stick to healthy diet only. So this is the tip number one. Then second is, be consistent with your routine. I started waking up early. I was used to early. I'm a early bird. I usually wake up at 6:30 or 7 o'clock, but I decided that I will continue waking up at 5:30 in the morning. So before the sunrise, to wake up and to do yoga and the running or the jogging activity really gives you a good positive vibes for whole day, and it gives you like the positive motivation for entire day, how to be consistent with your routine, and yeah, it actually gives your body a good shape. Then third thing is, like, I started listening affirmations are the positive sentences or positive vibes that you can hear it out, and they give you lots of positivity throughout your day. And I started practicing these affirmations. I started hearing them just whenever I go out for a walk, or maybe running or the jogging. I just put my headphone onto my ear, and I started listening them, and I repeat with them. So for example, some affirmations are like, I am full of abundance of love, or I am completely positive person. I don't get affected by the things which are happening surrounding me. It might be negative, but I choose to be positive. That kind of things, or that kind of affirmations gives you positive vibes for your day. And it's the saying that, if you start with the positive, you will be positive for the day. So this is the tip number 3, and it also helped me to improve my English speaking. I started listening it into the English language, and these are the 3 to 4 sentences, and I have to repeat it. So the complete sentences, like the 3 to 4 sentences in a whole day, or maybe in the mornings, morning 15 to 20 minutes, it gives me a good vocabulary as well. There are some words which I never heard before, and I start to practice them. I start to pronounce them. So it helped me to improve my English speaking as well. Next thing I did was to consistent with the routine, or I made the checklist of the things that I wanted to do in an entire day. Plus I did the planning of my month, and what are the exact measurement, or unless and until you measure that goal, you will not be able to achieve it. Measurement is very important. Like as I'm a digital marketing expert, we have to analyze the data, like how much traffic you grown for your website, that will determine your success. Same way, if you want to achieve the success in your life, you have to measure those goals. For example, let's say you plan to reduce your weight by 10 kgs, then that goal should be written somewhere. It may be in your diary first page, or the wall where you study, where you work. It should be your on the goals list, tops list. And remember that the health is very important. I mean, you have to give the priority for your health goals or the fitness goal, same way as you give the priority to the your financial goals, or the things like you wanted to move out to the new house, or you want to purchase a new house. Same way, you should give a more priority for your health first. So because if the health is there, then there will be the wealth. Remember that. So yeah, this is the tip. I mean, this is the most important thing into the life. Then start talking with people. I mean, unless and until you express your emotions, words, people won't understand it. So communication is the key. Start improving it. Whatever your I mean, if you might be an introvert, or you are not able to express the things out, then try to written them down at least onto the piece of paper, and try to convey your message to the person you wanted to you wanted to communicate. Because there are a lot of misunderstanding because of miscommunication. So try working on them. Express your emotions. Whatever the message you wanted to convey to the people in front of you, or maybe you are into the long distance relationships, please convey those messages with open heart, and open up with them. Because the fake personality or hiding something from them will not be useful. So work on your communication. Communication is the most important thing. So these are some things, I mean, I wanted to discuss with you all. And I wanted to wish you all the very happy new year. And I hope we will meet soon, and we will catch up in another with another interesting topic. Thank you so much. Bye, have a good day.